Hey, hey, how is it going? I hope you are having a fabulous Thursday. I just wanted to hop on real quick and do a live. My friend and customer Lexi requested to see some eyeshadows, so I thought I would do a fun look. So Lexi wanted to see our Tangled and Spiced cream eyeshadows, and I know for a fact that I have spiced cream eyeshadow because I used it the other day. So I know I have it, but I can't find it anywhere. So it's gone, but I do have Philly, and Philly is kind of like the powder version of it. So once I find it, I will do another look, but so Lexi, just so you know, that's what we're gonna do. It'll kind of be like a little spin-off of my toasted marshmallow look that I did last year. I don't know if you guys remember that. It's in my beauty group. But, so I've got Tangled, Philly, Bubba, and Foxy. So first I'm gonna take Tangled, stick my finger in there and kind of warm it up. And it's a really pretty, almost like champagne color. So it's got a little bit of yellow to it. I like to think of it as champagne. So I am just going to put this right on my lid and just kind of like all over, because I think it makes a really pretty highlight. So if I just do it kind of all over, then as we're kind of building up those layers, it just looks really pretty. But I really want it to show up right under my brow bone and on my lid. So I'm just going to put that all over. I'm just using my finger. It is a cream. You can use a brush. I just prefer to use my finger. I am just all about that quick and easy life. So just kind of tapping it on. Next, I'm going to take my eyeshadow everything brush. I'm just going to use the fluffy end of this double-ended brush and go right into Bubba. I really wanted to kind of have something to break up just the browns. So Bubba's got a little bit more of that warmth and oranginess to it to really like kind of bring in some extra, I don't know, color and warmth. So I'm just swiping back and forth. We're going to call this our transition shade. So I'm trying really hard not to, like, so you guys can see it. So I'm literally just kind of swirling, swiping back and forth as I get to the outer corner of my eye, because I want to create some lift. I'm kind of like bringing it up a little bit. Does that make sense? So like it's tighter down here in my crease, and then I'm softening it out into my outer corner. And you can see how it's creating just that like lift and dimension. So that is Tangled and Bubba. And next I'm gonna go into Foxy, sorry. So Foxy is like our eyeshadow version of Spiced. So you can tell it's like a brown to neutral. It's got some shimmer to it, it's super pretty. So with this one, what I'm gonna do is still taking the fluffy end of my eyeshadow everything brush, and right below where I put Bubba, I am going to put Foxy. So I'm just kind of building up those layers. I will say Spice is probably a little bit darker than this actually, but because it's a cream, so it's a different formula, it's going to be a little bit more pigmented. But you get the idea. Okay, so I'm just kind of swiping this lightly underneath that Bubba, almost onto my lid, but not completely, and I'm just kind of merging the two together. So I'll start there and kind of blend up into Bubba. Okay, and then I'm gonna take just a tiny bit and like my excess onto my lower lash line. Take my smaller end as well. Just kind of put it along the bottom. It's really soft and subtle. So we're not going for like a smoky eye or anything. We're just kind of bringing some depth to our eyes. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with Philly. Philly's like a really nice warm brown. So I'm taking some of that Philly. I just kind of tapped it off on the edge, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it into my outer corner, kind of like where I want the color to be before I blend it. So you can kind of see where that is just deepening the outer crease. And it's gonna create some really cool lift here in a second. Now I'm just gonna blend it all together. So I've kind of got it where I want it to go. And just, again, because I'm holding it super high up, it's gonna create a really delicate hand. It's gonna help you blend better, okay? It's like one of my favorite tips. Take your time. Eyeshadow is super buildable. And especially when you're working with really pigmented eye colors like ours, you don't want to go like too heavy at first. And some colors, depending on like your skin tone, are gonna show up more vibrant than others. Like I can wear the same colors, but it'll look totally different on somebody else, so it's kind of funny. So how do you know which colors to put on your lower lash line? Really, I just kind of think of it, well, I don't think there's really anything that you can't put on your lower lash line. However, I will say, because I have dark circles under my eyes and they tend to pull more purple, I don't like putting purple under my eyes. I feel like it just makes me look like I have like darker circles under my eyes. So I typically will do like whatever color I put in my crease. So like I'm gonna take some of this darker color and I'm just gonna put it in the corner. I'm not gonna do necessarily the whole thing, but just this corner. And then I want some brightness in the center, like in my inner corner. So I typically take like the lightest color and we'll kind of put it there. I just kind of experiment with it, but that's just kind of my experience. If you want like a smoky eye, obviously take the darker color. If you want your eyes to pop, like if my eyes are blue, so I could take Leo, which is an orange, and put it under there. It's gonna make my eyes pop even more. So it just kind of depends on what you're going for in that aspect. So that is basically the finished look. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this Tangled with my finger and just kind of like pop it right into this inner corner. Just again with my finger. And then I'm just going to do a quick hack So that is the finished look. So to recap, we did Tangled basically all over, Bubba in like the upper crease, Foxy in like the crease kind of lower lid, and then we did Philly in the outer corner, and then I did a little bit of Foxy and Philly on my lower lash line. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, but thank you so much for watching. And if you need a color match, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.